welcome back. I'm here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George, and it's time for another quick bite.
And we are in the season of sweets and treats.
We are, yes. Halloween is coming up.
I know, I love Halloween, and who doesn't? And, you know, kind of the dietitian in me says, does it all have to be about sweets and treats? I mean, we all can have them. But I love to do this recipe, and, you know, sometimes the dietitian eye roll, like, oh, of course she's going to bring the fruit, right?
Yeah.
But let me tell you what, I did this recipe for the UNK women's basketball team a couple years ago. I showed up after practice with it, and it was like I was bringing them Reese's peanut butter cups. They were like,
wow,
oh my gosh, this is so good. So when you think they're not gonna like it, they are, okay?
Well, it looks so fun too.
I know. So do you see any resemblances here?
Yes.
I see some resemblance, right? So we are gonna make the infamous candy corn parfait, and one may think candy corn parfait and they're like, okay, it's gonna have cake and candy corn and whatever, but no, it's actually going to be very delicious and quite healthy. So yellow, I always have to think about what is the bottom part? What color is the bottom? Does it go orange?
I don't think I could tell you off the top of my head.
I always have to kind of question myself. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna take some pineapple, canned, fresh, whatever you want. And you know, if you're kind of like, gosh, my kids don't love pineapple, you could do any other yellow fruit. And you may be saying, what fruit is yellow? Typically bananas you could do. There's not a ton of them. Yellow watermelon if you get crazy, but we're just gonna...
Did you say yellow watermelon?
Yeah, have you heard of such a thing?
No.
It is quite delicious.
Wow.
Very seasonal.
Okay.
So, third of a cup with some pineapple. Next, we are gonna use mandarin oranges, but here's where you say like, don't love mandarin oranges, use cantaloupe, maybe it's canned peaches. It can look a variety of different ways, but obviously we want orange for the orange part. So about a third of the cup is going to be that. And then the white part is going to be Greek yogurt based. And so this is where really the health benefits come in, a little good fruits, a little good protein. So we are just going to use a Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt here. And as much or as little as you want, but what we are going to do is I am going to mix it with a little bit of Cool Whip just to fluff it up a little bit and make it a little bit more kid-friendly. That's probably why the women's basketball team liked it, right? It had a little extra fluff in it. So we're just going to add a little bit of Cool Whip to make it a little bit fluffier and just mix that together. So the white part, very high protein, and we're going to put it right on top here and finish that out. And per normal, a candy corn parfait cannot be finished without
candy
a little bit of candy corn. So we're just going to put a little candy corn on top. If you so choose, you can put some coconut on top. You can mix it in with the white part as well. Coconut, people either love or hate it. Can just add some additional flavor, but you don't have to do it. And it looks like snow, and I don't know if we're ready for that, right?
We're not talking about that.
We're not talking about that.
Not talking about it. Not yet.
Healthy candy corn parfaits right here. Just a fun way to not have the season be all about the sweets and treats. And I brought this to a Halloween party a couple years ago, and I kind of walked in like, okay, we'll see how this goes. And everybody loved it. So I would highly recommend it as just a unique themed little treat.
For sure. All right, we'll have the recipe on our website. Katie, thanks.